On April 8, 2024, the Broward County Sheriffs Office was called to the scene at the airport for reports of a potential incident occurring on the plane. The following shows the body-worn camera footage of what happened during the incident.
These are reports from the passengers and reports from some of the flight attendants out on that. I'm going to introduce you to her right now.
Did he touch anybody?
She did. So, it's time to get out here and talk to this nice gentleman.
You have your... That's the final one. What's up? What happened?
What happened? Just a waste of happened. In the last 30 minutes of the flight, Sarah and the other flight attendant, they were just shit and bullshitting about their day, which sucked. And the guy to my right starts fucking recording them without their notice, without... So, I told him, I was like, stop fucking recording them. I was like, it's against the law, like without somebody's permission. And yeah, you know what? I don't care if I had a drink or two. All I know is that we had a great fucking pilot. Those women tolerated nonsense because...
Where were you sitting at?
14C.
Where was the guy who was recording sitting?
Well, I was moved up front.
Where you were moving from?
But you know what? I don't care if I go to jail. Honestly, I'm gonna wait for him.
No, you're not.
No, I'm gonna put my bag down.
No, you're not. You're not.
This fucking it.
Hey!
This!
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Fucking ass.
What are you doing? She just was gonna hit him with
just
her bag.
like was going after
She
him.
just went after him with her bag. What's going on?
What's
You're gonna hit somebody? What are you doing?
Him.
You can't hit people.
He can't report people.
Yes, you can.
Yes, he can. Go ahead, go.
Yeah, that's the law. Sorry, you're incorrect.
Listen.
I'm not
You
talking
can't
about
hit people. You can't hit people now. Jeez.
Hi. She's the one that was causing an issue?
Yes.
She touched people. She was putting her hands on them. As a matter of fact, the guy one here, sitting near her, said as he got off, she was fine at the end until she started threatening me. And I said, would you talk to the gentleman out there? And he's like, I really don't want to get involved. But she was like, some of those are passenger reports.
For some
And they were touching.
Thank
Sorry
you
you
for
had
being
to-
here, sir. I
of course,
appreciate you being
We're
here.
going to let them do
Oh, sorry, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Because I saw her.
Great
You
flight.
know, I
Thank
thought
you.
she's the one who was actually.
No, I'm
I
sorry.
understand.
No,
Okay.
she was
You're okay.
also all over us like that, like
Yeah.
hugging. She wanted to kiss us. I'm
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
we don't do that.
She just-
we don't do that.
She saw this guy walking out. She launched at the guy.
Nice going, sir.
Was
Thank you very much. Take care.
try to hit the guy. We had to restrain her.
Oh,
Thank you, because that's what we were afraid of, and we were trying to control the situation. People have
No,
been
no, you guys-
thanking us on the way out for doing such a great job of a really. I think she's has some profound mental disturbance.
They did great
Because we didn't serve her alcohol.
They did amazing.
Thank you.
It seems like she's doing great.
Yeah. They trained, but they
Years
did a
of
great job.
experience,
Thank
being
you.
old helps.
Alright, we'll escort her out.
Thank you.
Alright, you guys take care,
Well,
sir.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you for being here, sir.
report of some sort. You guys have to go over here.
No, because I mean, if there's no victim, we don't have a problem.
Only us.
Yeah. So that's why we're just gonna escort her out.
That's all we want, just away from us.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. You guys take care. Alright. Alright, yeah, she was. We didn't know.
We're waiting for the subject.
Because he was trying to take those two flight attendants.
She was going to slap him with her bag. She just said that.
No,
We grabbed the bag.
you know what? He recorded those two flight attendants for the last 30 minutes.
I'll go stand by now.
It'll be soon. We'll stand by.
I'm sorry, but I'm gonna get sick. And I did lie.
Go ahead. She was, listen. Alright. She was gonna hit that. She just said she was gonna hit him. Yeah, we had to stop for a minute.
I know.
Do you see or what?
I'm gonna tell you something. You
I'm not
guys had
gonna
never
do it.
recorded
I'm
at
doing
the
it.
Frontier, and those two
I'll do it.
when you first got
Yeah, yeah. That's all.
Mike? I'll do it.
You doing it?
I had to put my hands on her.
Okay.
Who's primary?
I'm primary.
I'll do it. Fine. Come on, man.
Let's walk out. Walk this way.
We're walking out.
Walk, please. Come
You
on.
got your bag. You got your bag.
We got your bag.
Alright, no,
No, bro. I thought that second.
whatever.
Man, where were you going? Like for work? Like where were you here for work?
I'm picking up a car.
Well, you
and
definitely can't drive right now.
I know that.
Yeah.
Go to man. It's your job or whatever.
We're not gonna lose it.
No, he said that. He said
not gonna lose it.
He said he was going to. And
Don't worry about it.
they were saying shit. I was trying to like give them a warning.
Neither here nor there.
Like trying to.
Ma'am, again, you can't just hit people.
I don't
Period.
hit people.
You were gonna. We stopped you.
He deserved it.
Deserve doesn't mean it's legal, ma'am. What's your name?
I took care of special needs kids and young adults for 25 years of my
All
life.
right. And we appreciate that, but that's neither here or there. Right now, you're trying to hit people in the back in front of us.
He deserved it.
Doesn't matter, man. We can't do it.
I get it.
All right.
Does anybody ever can you listen to me for 1 minute?
Yeah. Send him over. What's going on? No, sir. What's up?
I'm so tired.
Okay. Sam, do you have your ID on you? Is it in your bag, or where's your identification?
It's in my purse. It's in there.
And we're gonna take an elevator downstairs, okay?
Do you have to do that? Like I'm not gonna try to break apart my dates.
I mean, this bag's fucking 20 pounds.
You can go through it.
It's 15 pounds.
It's my purse and my laptop.
This is 15 pounds, easy, if not 20. He got in early, man. The industry used to be, all the fabrication and repairs used to be done by the Swift, is the elevator lift system or something like that, Swindler. Make sure she had nothing in her pockets. I'll search her for you, or unless you want to.
Gonna run her
Well, let me make sure.
to the office.
It's fine. I know I'm never gonna see police for anything because when you guys tell me to do something, I actually do it so that everybody's safe.
Is that just a belt buckle? Do you have a belt buckle on? Just a button. It was a button.
Yeah,
All right.
they're like drugstore jeans.
It was just a big button. It looked like a belt buckle.
Sorry.
All right. Just go ahead and take a seat for me.
What's your handle, man?
Hey, just be aware of that necklace he has. I'm gonna go upstairs, grab my car. Yeah, he should meet you upstairs.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.